An elbow is used to change the direction in an airflow network without dividing the airflow in two. A straight duct is made, a cutting point is chosen. The subsequent cut will follow the cutting guidelines, which are an integral part of the outer surface of the CLIMAVER board. The 22.5 degrees cut is made with the white label tool. Cuts made at a 90 degrees angle to the board are made by the yellow label tool. One of the pieces made will be rotated 180 degrees to create the elbow. There is no male shiplap and female shiplap end to these pieces, and therefore no flap through which the pieces can be stapled. A bead of CLIMAVER glue is applied along all the rims to join the two pieces and to close the inner surface of the duct. After joining the pieces, the CLIMAVER adhesive tape is applied and any excess glue cleaned off using the CLIMAVER spatula. The elbow can then be placed in the duct network